Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation, but it has some fractions in it, which always makes everyone a little bit nervous. Right, so let's have a look at it. The first thing we need to try and do, we need to get rid of these fractions. Okay, we need to get rid of these fractions. So what we do, as we always do, is we find an LCD, and our lowest common denominator is the lowest common multiple between the two. And the typical easy way to find that is just multiplying the two together. So 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Okay, so 12 is the one we're going to go with. Right, so how will we use 12? So one way of using 12 is we're going to multiply every single term by 12. Let's do it that way. Okay, so we're going to times everything by 12. So I'm going to times this by 12, I'm going to times this by 12, and I'm going to times this by 12. Okay? Right, but that 12 cancels with that 3, so the 3 goes away and we're left with 4 at the top. This 12 goes away and this 4 goes away, but we're left with how many at the top? 3 at the top. And then the 0 times 12 just becomes 0. Okay, so now we've got 4 times x plus 2 minus 3 times x minus 3 equals 0. Nice and simple. We've got rid of our fractions, and now we've got some distributive law to deal with. So in our next step, we're going to deal with our distributive law. So distributive law, remember, we times it into the brackets. That's going to give us 4x plus 8. Same thing here. The minus 3 goes in, and it's going to be minus 3x plus 9 equals 0. Now we need to collect our variables, and that's going to stay on the left-hand side. So 4x minus 3x is going to give us x. And we're going to take the 8 and the 9 across. Let's first add them together. So 8 plus 9 is going to give us 17. But if we need to subtract 17 on the left-hand side, we need to do the same thing on the right-hand side. So it's going to be minus 17. Gives us the answer. Thank you so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Read up on them in our description below. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember to send the question to us and we'll reply with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.